Welcome to our channel. Unlocking advanced streaming features on Fire Stick means exploring official capabilities you might not know about. Follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Enable 4K streaming if you have a 4K TV and fast internet. Go to Settings, Display and Sounds and set display to 4K Ultra HD. Step 2. Adjust audio settings for better sound. Enable Dolby Atmos in settings if your sound system supports it for immersive audio. Step 3. Use X-ray features on Prime Video. Pause any video to see cast information, music credits, and trivia about scenes. Step 4. Enable subtitles and closed captions. Most streaming apps let you customize subtitle size, color, and position for better readability. Step 5. Use playback speed controls available in many apps. YouTube and some other services let you watch at 1.25 times, 1.5 times, or 2 times speed. Step 6. Explore watchlist features. Add shows and movies to your watchlist on multiple services for easy access to content you want to watch later. Step 7. Enable autoplay next episode features or turn them off in individual app settings based on your binge-watching preferences. Step 8. Use profile features in family accounts to get personalized recommendations and keep watch histories separate. These legitimate features enhance your experience without needing sketchy apps or hacks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.